What's something people don't know about their iPhone? How about 3 insanely cool features that are hiding in plain sight? Let's dive in. First up, text replacement. Imagine typing OMW and it magically turns into "on my way." Just go to Settings, then General, and tap on Keyboard. Hit text replacement and add your shortcuts. Boom. You'll save so much time, you'll feel like a texting wizard. Next, Siri shortcuts. Ever wish you could call your mum, play your favorite playlist, or get directions to work with just one voice command? You can. Open the Shortcuts app and create customized commands. Hey Siri, call mum. And there you go, you're a master of automation. Finally, the hidden trackpad. This one's a game changer. Tap and hold the spacebar on your keyboard and swipe your thumb. Voila! Your keyboard just turned into a trackpad. Editing text has never been easier or more fun, so there you have it. 3 hidden iPhone features that are bound to make your tech-savvy heart sing. Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to follow us for more cool tips at Learn with Afdal.